The Accessory Control Panel, or ACP, is a flexible control panel additional to multiboard. It can be placed anywhere on the bed based on the caregiver's needs. The ACP contains the Go button for activation of the bed. There is an LED to indicate if the bed is charged or if it is in the mains. There are basic functions in the blue section: thigh rest up, down, back rest up, down, height adjustment, calf rest up, down, bed extension, lateral tilt, Trendelenburg and reverse Trendelenburg. The lockout function can lock individual control. On the right, there is a lockout function for the foot pedals. All preset positions are on the bottom. One button for CPR, the red emergency Trendelenburg, which is a one-touch button to quickly flatten and tilt frame, and cardiac chair position.
Lynette, designed to help you care.